All right, this problem reads that the length of a soccer field is 10 to the second meters in length, and the width of a large hurricane is about 10 to the sixth meters in length. About how many times longer is the width of a large hurricane than the length of a soccer field? All right, so our soccer field is 10 to the second meters in length, which of course is 100 meters because 10 squared is 10 times 10, which equals 100. And the width of a large hurricane is 10 to the sixth meters in length, which would be a 1 followed by 6 zeros. So we would say that the hurricane's width is about 1 million meters in length. Now, what we're basically doing here is comparing two different powers of 10. We have 10 to the second and 10 to the sixth. Now, we could easily see that 10 to the sixth power is 4 powers of 10 greater. Because if I take 100 here and then add an extra 0, that's now 10 to the third power. That became 10 times greater. If we add another 0, that is 100 times greater. If we add another 0, that is 1,000 times greater. And a fourth 0 added would be 10,000 times greater. So we just turned 10 to the second into 10 to the sixth by increasing this by 4 powers of 10. Now, another way that we can look at this problem is to take the larger value of 10 to the sixth and divide it by 10 to the second. Whenever figuring out how many times longer something is, we can take the longer object and divide it by the shorter object. Now, we have to remember the rule that says that when we are dividing exponents with the same base, we take those exponents and we subtract them. So we're going to take 6 and 2 and subtract those, and that's going to give us 10 to the fourth power, which is simply a 1 followed by 4 zeros, which is 10,000. So we would say that the width of a large hurricane is about 10,000 times the length of a soccer field.
Hey, I just want to say thanks for checking out this math tutorial. Please don't forget to hit that subscription button and enable notifications so you can be informed as I upload new math tutorials to my math channel. Until next time, this is Shane Masonette with Masonette Math.